Today we are discussing top 10 interview mistakes and how to avoid them. In our last session, we discussed how to succeed an interview. Did you know the most of the candidates get rejected because of lack of skills but because of small interview mistakes? Today I will share top 10 interview mistakes and exactly how you can avoid them. Hello everyone. Welcome to Ostroint International Private Limited all-in-one solution. If you want to crack interviews and build confidence, you are right place. Let's start with the most common interview mistakes candidates makes. Okay, now we can start. Top 10 interview mistakes and solutions. The first one, coming unprepared. It means not knowing about the company role. Solution, research the company, job role and unrequired the skills before the interview. Okay, मैं एक ऐसा बोलना चाहता हूँ, आप एक इंटरव्यू को जाता है तो उसका पहला कंपनी का बताओ डिटेल सब समझो, ये कंपनी कौन सा फील्ड में करता है, क्या है, कैसा है, सब कुछ समझो. Why I am saying to this in Hindi? Because I do have lots of followers in Hindi. That's why I am saying this in Hindi too. Okay, and whenever you are going for an interview, you must definitely know about your company details and the key working roles and all. That's definitely you need to know that. Mistake number 2, poor first impression. Late arrival, casual dressing, weak handshake. Solution, dress professionally, reach early and get confidently. इसका मतलब है अब कैजुअल ड्रेसिंग नहीं होना चाहिए, वीक हैंडशेक नहीं होना चाहिए, लेट अराइवल भी नहीं होना चाहिए. It means the solution, dress professionally, that means you are confident about the job. Reach early, it means you are punctual. And the third one is great confidentiality. That means you are very confidential about this work. That's number 2. Now, not practicing, tell me about yourself. That means introduction part. Confused or too long answers. According to the introduction part, you need to give a brief about you. Solution, prepare clear 60 to 90 second introduction focused on the skill and the experienced. इसका मतलब क्या है, आप आपके बारे में 60 to 90 seconds एक आपका ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन आप देना है. इसमें आप प्रैक्टिस करना है और आंसर देना है. And the fourth one, weak communication. Speaking too fast and too slow and unclear. Solution, practice speaking clearly and confidentially. Keep answers simple and to point. इसका मतलब क्या है, आप आपसे कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो आप वेरी क्लियरली आंसर देना है, वेरी सिंपली देना है और कॉन्फिडेंशियली देना है. इसका मतलब ये है. ओके, द फिफ्थ वन, नेगेटिव टॉक अबाउट पास्ट जॉब एंड और इंटरव्यूज. Complaining or bargaining others. Solution, stay professional focus on learning and the growth. इसका मतलब है सिंपली आप बोल देना, आप बताओ पास्ट कब फेम में काम किया उसका नेगेटिव्स, नहीं तो उसका मैनेजर्स का नेगेटिव्स और किसी का भी नेगेटिव्स हो, कुछ भी आप ध्यान करने का कुछ भी जरूरत ही नहीं है. वेरी सिंपल, यू आंसर एंड यू कॉन्फिडेंट and you must learn about the company and all, and you need to very clear answers. We already discussed 5 major interview mistakes out of 10. The rest of the 5 we will discuss on 16th of on Friday. If you want to see that, you can follow my channel.